Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy and Reese's over there. But we go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Tuesday afternoon. We have another What's Old video for you today. You can kind of see the office is a little bit more messy than we like, but we've been doing a lot of stuff today. So we're going to follow Kathy around right now and see what's sold.
All right, so eBay first. Box W here. So these Crocs flip-flops. These sold on eBay for $17.76 plus shipping. I got these. These were part of the 65 shoes, so about $4.68 into those. Box A, pair of Keens. So those came from that same haul, so $4.68 into them. They sold for $22.21 plus shipping. All right, Reese likes the.
There's a neighbor dog across the street and in the window up there, and they like to look at each other every once in a while.
All right, so down here we got a pair of Doc Martens. Those are not the right ones.
Don't say uh-oh.
Well, there's two Doc Martens in there. I was like, those are not the right ones. Maybe I wrote them in the wrong letter, but.
That's why we like to have things as random as possible. We just happened to not pay attention this time.
It's funny because we have what, maybe like four.
Right.
Not even 4 pairs probably. All right, so these are Doc Martens. They sold just a few minutes ago for $35.56 plus shipping, and I only have $7 into them, so nice little sale there. That style, usually Doc Martens sell definitely within 30 days, usually within like even a week. Those ones took a few months, so not the best style.
Yeah.
But I would still pick up again for 7 into 35. I really can't leave Doc Martens at the thrift. All right, and then we got BS. So this is just an American Eagle jacket. I normally wouldn't pick this kind of thing up. I just thought it was cute. It had like little floral embroideries on it, and then on the shoulder it said Dreamer. And I did pay too much for it. I paid $7, but it sold for $22.21 plus ship. So made a little profit, but I wouldn't say it was the best buy.
All right.
We'll show that one in a minute.
Got another sale.
Yeah, and then this was the best sale of the day.
So far, no.
Oh yeah, it was better
Just
than
kidding.
the one I just saw. I don't even know if we have any more items that are more than this item sold for. So,
Got a clinger.
So the Freebird sandals. So these are from my bins haul, the stimulus check challenge.
Wow.
So I only have about $1 into them. They sold for $88.89 plus shipping. So really
Sweet.
good sale. But yeah, I don't even know if we have any like $100 items left at the moment. We gotta find some more.
Yeah.
All right, so other than the sale I just made, that was it for eBay so far. We had a few, what are these? Poshmark box N. All the way over there. All the way by VC. Alright, so these are some Nike ACG Sandals. They sold on Poshmark for an offer I sent of $24 with discounted shipping. I only had $4 into them. I scored them on a half off day. They were in pretty rough shape though. They have like paint stains on them, which obviously I showed, but the Nike ACG stuff does really well. So for $4 I took a chance and made a decent little profit. I made $16.74, so like a $12 profit there. And then box CU, one of the sweaters from my sweater day haul. So I've definitely paid for all those sweaters by now, but have $1.49 into it. And this is just the brand A New Day, which is just Target. Sold for an offer of $20 that I accepted. Alright, so that was it for Posh. Had a few Kitizen sales. So CW. You guys are probably sick of seeing these, but this is the last one. Unless someone returns one, which we don't accept returns, so they're new with tag anyways. But yeah, this is a Billabong t-shirt with the rainbow, only about $2 and change into it, sold for $16.50 free shipping. And I know I'm always preaching use Kitizen shipping labels, but you know, as they keep going up and up, and I know they go up when the regular post office goes up, but this one I ended up shipping out on Pirate Ship because, well, Kitizen doesn't have a 4-ounce label option, so I was able to do this for 4 ounce. So it cost me $3.12 going to California. But also, there's sandal labels that they use. I don't know what it is, but I have to stand in line at the post office for them to manually type it in because none of the barcodes scan for me. So
Yeah.
even though I might save money using Kitizen labels, for the most part, I might start using Pirate Ship. I've been making less sales over there now that I'm making more sales elsewhere, so I mean,
Yeah.
I like the ease of just pushing a button and having it emailed to me, but then I have to stand in line at the post office, so
Right.
it just hasn't been worth it. Like yesterday, I was trying to pick up my son and from school. I always go there on the way, and usually there's no line, but yesterday there was a line, and I can put all my stuff on the counter, which I did, but because I had 2 of those to scan, I was like, I don't have time to wait, so I just left them.
We like to get the receipts so that we can show a buyer
So
if it didn't
for some
scan.
reason, it doesn't show up as tracking, like I can at least say, hey, I dropped it off this day. But yeah, so thankfully those 2 somehow did scan in the night, but it just, usually they don't if I do not get a receipt and have them manually type it in. So do whatever you want with that information, but I'm not saying I'm never going to use their labels. Like if it's like $100 sale, then I probably will, because it, you know, they give you the protection and everything, but I don't know. I'm going to be more picky about my labels. All right, so that was that. And then we had 2 more Kitizen sales, so box Q here.
This way.
This one just got listed last night. It's just the brand Jolly Good Apparel, I think. Yeah. This was my son's shirt. I got it off Mercari a long time ago for like $5 plus shipping, so it came out to like $9. And I sold it on Kitizen for $12.95 free ship, so I basically broke even on that guy. And then the sale just happened before we started recording. Box CA. I think this is them. Yeah. These, you can't really see anything, but they're just the brand Appa Man, or however you say that. Just a little baby slacks. And they sold for $17 free ship. That was an offer I sent to the buyer. So I honestly don't remember where I got those. I thought I got them on ThreadUp, but I scrolled like all through my orders and didn't see them. So I know I wouldn't have paid over $10 for them. So I'm sure I at least broke even, probably made a couple bucks. But yeah, my mind is escaping me on those. Alright, so that was it for Kitizen. And then we had 5 Mercari Seals, so box AE. Alright, this is a super big one. You can get a large french fry with this one. Alright, so these are just some little baby Stride Right, like patent leather shoes. I only got these because they were 99 cents. I knew I could sell them at the JBF for at least $8 if nothing else. And so they were headed there, you know, in a couple weeks. Somebody offered me $7 today, plus they paid shipping. So I just accepted just to save myself from having to tag those. But yeah, I profited like $4. So definitely could get a large fry for $4, I'm sure. All right, and then Quicksilver, box C. This just got listed a couple days ago. This was my son's Rash Guard. Don't remember where I got it, but it sold for $12 plus shipping. Right, and then box BK. So these are just some kids' TEVA Sandals. They came from the 65 pair day, so $4.68 into them. They sold for, what was it, $17 plus shipping on those. And box AL, a pair of Skechers. No, they're not. They're just, all right. These are just Skechers, but I thought they were a nice style. I mean, I wouldn't wear them personally, but I knew somebody would. I did pay $7.99 for them. They sold for $29 plus shipping. Skechers are good sellers, guys. Like, I mean, not for a ton, usually around $25-30, but they sell
consistent.
frequently. They're super lightweight usually. This next sale is also.
I mean, any that stand out, right? Like.
Yeah, I mean, like all
this
the
has the
flats,
cool perforated tools.
I think people like them because they're just lightweight, and most of them have like that cushion sole. So most people prefer comfort over fashion. I'm not gonna say most people. Lots of
most
people.
of our buyers, because that's all we sell them.
Yeah. So this is another pair of Skechers. These ones were a pair of sandals. These ones are actually over a pound though. So the buyer, I had them at the $11 USPS price because this was listed before the $7.99 price existed. And she's like, I know these are not over a pound, and can you please lower the price? So I was like, I can't lower. I can lower it to the $7.99 FedEx, but that would be it because they are over a pound. We do keep all of our weights and check them before we list. So so she still bought them for $19 plus that $7.99 shipped. I bought them for $5.99, so not too bad. That was it, except for the one that just came in, which was a pair of Allen Edmonds. I think these might be from the stimulus challenge. Let's see. This chair is big. What size? 9.5. Yep, and these are from the Ben Stimulus Check Challenge. So I have $1.39 into them. They're in box L. Just a nice pair of
I like
Oxfords.
those.
Yeah, I really liked them. The bottoms were rough, but I mean, they're a really good pair of shoes. These retail for like $500, so. This person paid $35.56 plus shipping, so even if they have to put a whole new sole on them, they're still got a really nice pair of shoes. So, yeah, $1.39 into $35.56.
All right, so we'll get this stuff packed up real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, we got that stuff all packed up, and we kind of wanted to go over a little bit of what's going on. We got our momentum board started where Kathy listed what 25 items yesterday, totaling about $414 potential profit.
Yeah, so like that's the eBay listed number, which eBay is pretty much our lowest. That's where we list stuff what we expect to actually sell it for. So that's the eBay listed price, but it's plus shipping. So this is not including shipping.
Right.
So it will be potentially $414 plus the buyer pays shipping for the 25 items, which is really only like $16 sale price per item, but it's because it's all the crappy stuff I pulled from the closet. Like all the listings yesterday were either just from our kids' stuff or stuff that I didn't want to list, so I listed it fairly low. Hope to move it out quick because it all was cheap anyways. If I could make $5-10 off each, I'll be happy. But yeah, going forward, obviously, I'd want at least $20 probably. So like if I listed 25 items, I'd want that to be what? 25?
500?
Yeah. Yeah, 500. So I guess we're not that far off.
Yeah.
But yeah, like all those bags you see there, that's stuff I sourced the end of last week. So I just need to type it in our inventory and list it. But those are going to be higher dollar things. So
yeah.
And when I get those listed, this number should be higher. But yeah.
And are you planning on doing a haul video with those, or is that?
I guess I could. Yeah, I mean, it's just random stuff. It's not like all shoes. Well, it probably is mostly shoes. So yeah, we could do a haul. It's a good amount.
We've been kind of slacking on the haul videos lately, and actually last month I kind of had a secret goal of trying to put a video up every day in February. I think we only missed one day if you count our live stream that we did a week ago or so. Few days ago. So if you count that, we only missed one day. And, I enjoyed it. I think we're going to try to do that again for March, more or less. I'm not going to be upset if we don't get a video up, but
I'm going to be very upset.
She'll be upset. No. But, YouTube and you guys, this community has been extremely good for us. We love hanging out with you guys and learning and sharing what we know, and it does. It keeps us accountable. It keeps us motivated, and I like it. And in fact,
show up with like 2 sales ever. So oh my god, I gotta list more stuff. So.
In fact, we're gonna pull another 5 items from the closet.
I'll show you what I did in here. So yeah, those 25 items yesterday I pulled off from here. So I did more than 5, even though we didn't show it on the video. But I also organized it to like, so these are coats and like sweaters. These 2 are well, this I might just take to JBF. I need to pull that. This, I don't know what the heck it is. So that'll probably be the last thing. Got 2 sleeping bags. These are like snow type pants, and then pants, and then shorts. And then I think these are actually the bras that Chris photographed. He already drafted them for me. I just need to list them. A couple bathing suits, dresses, and then like kid stuff. So yeah, so like today, if I want to do 5, I'd probably just like pick 5 pants.
Yeah.
Like I kind of want to do them together because when you're measuring and stuff, it's easier to do the same. But yeah, this is really all that's left. I mean, we have stuff downstairs that's still in the process of getting clean and stuff, but not a ton.
Right.
So yeah, I kind of want to list this though because I think this is going to get me a good amount of money. This I bought at JBF a long time ago, and
So like
it's just one of those things that like I'm already seeing flaws on it, but I know the flaws won't matter that much.
But that's a Ralph Lauren bear.
Yeah, it's the Polo Bear. It's
Polo
just
Bears.
like a duvet cover, but it has flaws. This it's just like hard to photograph this because it's huge. If you lay it out, you really have to look it over really good for flaws and stuff. So maybe I'll stick that. I won't do that one yet. I'll do these 3 to the same day because then maybe Chris could help me.
Yeah.
So let me see. Today,
If it was me, I would try to pick the 5 easiest things.
all right, that's fine.
And then eventually, you pick the easiest. The easiest becomes, some of the harder ones. But at least you're getting motivated. And by the time it's down to the really hard ones, you only have a few left. And then
This is more than 5, but
I don't have much room to back
these
up
are
right
pretty
here.
much all the pants. So I'll just try to do all these.
Okay.
I mean, other than the snow pants, those will be their own day. And then I had a couple capri. Like I have 3 pairs of Lululemon capri leggings, but they all have like a weird, like a deep wrinkle. Like I don't think
Like
that
a
it
crease?
will come out. Yeah, and like, so ironing I don't think's gonna do it. Like I don't think there's anything I could do to make it. That's the only reason I didn't list them. So I just need to list them even though they're not gonna sell for what I originally hoped. So
Right.
I don't know where to put these. Right here, I guess.
Yeah, and I pulled these.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 pairs of pants.
I pulled these. What are these NASCAR jackets?
Yeah. So the only reason we had these, like these are obviously going to be a great seller, but I put them in there because I didn't know if they were men's,
Sizing.
women's, youth.
Yeah.
And Chris was helping me figure that out. So I think he figured out this one is a youth and this one is a women's. So now we just gotta take photographs and get
And
'em
they're
listed.
dated. They're not quite vintage. I think.
I got them from ThreadUp, so I paid up for them. So I hope to at least double my money.
I saw somewhere like 2007. Yeah, hard to see.
But yeah, if they were men's in like a very large size, some of those go for like $200. These
Yeah.
ones I think we can get 50 or 60, hopefully. So we'll see.
Yeah, and I did draft up a few of my things from my pile, my comic book or some of my one of those comic books I think was worth a good amount, $30-40. So I'm waiting on the boss to give her opinion on how I did on the listing and push the green light, but got a few of those things listed or ready to go. But yeah, that's what we're kind of working on today. So I think we still have to shoot a thumbnail pic with those packages, and then it's coming up on, it's 3:15. We got to get ready to go pick up Connor from school, and that's what we've got going on today. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.